Another little pink salmon. There you go, nice feisty pink. There we go. I actually designed this fishing rod. It's made from carbon fiber. It's the Catfishing Carp Mag Light series by Whisker Seeker. Love this fishing rod. Man, that thing hit. Oh, this is a nice one. That is a nice male silver. Starting to take his spawning colors. Look at the size comparison. Oh, beautiful chum salmon. Oh, I had a silver take it right at my feet. Oh, beautiful silver. That's my 3 for the day.